So let me explain you this line. This line has, very deep meaning, very crucial meaning it actually has. So the thing is, when we were not getting orders in initial days, and almost for 10 days I didn't get any orders from the field, and Nigam sir used to say these lines that okay, you will get an order, have some patience, do your workings continuous, do put your efforts. But after some time, when I get matured in terms of selling, in terms of suspecting, prospecting customers, so after 1 month, Nigam sir used to say, "Why are you sitting here? Why are you sitting here in this office? Get out and get me an order." Okay. So this is the thing that your own enterprise will not give you an order. So you need to get out to the field and get an order anyhow. Okay. So let me tell you the basics overview. So I have done working under with the Synergy Marketing Incorporation under the guidance of Mr. Jitendra Nigam and Mr. Rajendra Singh Shekhawat. And this company established in 2003, basically dealings in industrial selling. And this company deals in interlinings and hangers. So hangers you all know. Let me give you a brief introduction what is interlining. So you see your shirt, your kurtis, and your all ethnic wear. You see these cuffs. These cuffs are a little bit harder than the rest part of the body. Your collar of the shirt is bit harder than the stiff than the other part of the body. Why? Because some interlining is put inside this. So that is called interlining. Now, these interlinings we basically deals in fusible, non-fusible, embroidery section, and we are dealing in more than 400 types of hangers, which includes all kinds from right from the production to the sales to the showroom area where you put the hangers, to glorify your show. Okay. So next, my objective was first of all when I approached to the Nigam sir, he said he asked me actually that why are you joining me? Tell me the one line answer. Why are you joining me? Sir, I want you. I want your learnings. I want the things which you have in yourself. I want to grasp that. So, what my basic thing was to learn the nuances of selling. Like in the beginning also I said that selling, when we see an overview, it is very simple, it is very systematic. It is given that firstly you need to approach to the customer and convince him and sell your product, get an order, collect the payments, and that's all. But it is not like this. Okay, the thing, let me tell you what is selling, that you need to learn the nuances of selling in terms of your personality, in terms of your communication skills, in terms of time management, your attire, your haircut, your shaving, means very basic things impacts the salesman, impacts the salesperson, impacts the selling activity. Okay, so these are the nuances of selling. And one important thing I would like to point out here is that what we learn in the book, what we learn from Mr. Philip Kotler, this theoretical part, what I have observed in these 60 days, that is not applicable. Means I'm not saying it applicable in direct selling. Means that is applicable in those companies which have 1,000 crores of turnovers. That is applicable there. But in the direct selling, when you visit to the field different companies, when you go and meet, when you ask from the guard that guard sahab, please let us enter to the organization, and we have these kinds of fusing. These fusings are literally good, and we deals in these kinds of things. and your company and me both will be benefited. So uh, what I want to say that there is no thumb rule. What is that called? Thumb rule. Huh. So that is not a systematic format to imply your selling skills, to imply your everywhere, right? Because you will find different persons with different knowledge, with different attitude, with different communication skills, and all other things that means that varies. Okay. Now, the another thing is I want to do my own startup. So this was also the reason. So what I will learn here will apply in my startup. So my activity. Okay, let me tell you very this crucial thing. Steps of selling. Okay, steps of selling. Basically, this has systematic format. So what we needed to do our working was like our schedule was from 10 a.m. to late 6, 7, 8 p.m. in the evening. So what we used to do, me and my partner Deepak used to leave the room at 9, go to the office. Then Mr. Nigam used to teach us, used to this train us for 2.5 hours, used to give lots of product knowledge, the objection handling, that what kind of questions that your customer will put in front of you and how you need to, handle those questions and objections handling. Then afterwards, my mentor, my field guide, Mr. Rajen Singh Shekhawat, with my sir, with my mentor, I have been trained for 15 days, and because he trained me so well, I have achieved the target, more than the target what we have been given. So I have been given the target to achieve 1 lakh rupees per value, 1 lakh rupees in total orders, and the number of companies you needed to add, that was around 10 to 12 companies, and the number of orders, it had to be 20 at least. Let me tell you the figures. I have visited 132 companies till now. I have got 29 orders. That was the limit was 20. 29 orders. I have created 48 prospects where this is, I'm definitely sure, and every sample of ours is passed. And whenever the companies will get an order, we will get an order, and that is for sure. And these 48 prospects will create an impact of 10 to 12 lakhs in synergy. Okay, I have done 1.7 lakhs of value I have created till now. I have created 1. This value. Now coming to the challenges. When I asked for the Nigam sir to join, he clearly mentioned that you need a bike, you need some funds. Actually, it is needed. So the bike rent, we had to hire the bike. So we didn't had that lots of funds. So somehow we managed, and in our internship time period, we spent around 17,000 rupees in learning these things. And the funds was the problem. And the second thing, when we joined, there was a COVID lockdown. And from the 8th, Rajasthan government allowed us to visit the field. So the COVID situation was there. 50% manpower was there by which company could operate. The government restrictions was there. So these were the these universal challenges as of now. So that applied to us also. Now come to the learning part. That what I have learned, that is nuances of selling. I have already told you. Scientific selling. One very prominent thing, one very special thing about Synergy is that we do scientific selling. Other competitors, Goel Lining, Inderhood, this interlinings, and other which are our competitor, they do not sell technical selling. They do not do technical selling. They just ask, okay, please send me 5 rolls. This article number, send me, and the payment is done. But no, we don't do these things. We do technical selling. We have machine, the like dot counting machine. in dot counting machine, we just put in machine in the cloth, and it counts the dot, how many dots of glue is there, and how many dots within the inches of that particular area
Your
that
time.
is given.
Time.
Okay, okay. These things, time, scientific selling, time management. Obviously, you will whenever you will get into sales, you will automatically learn the time management. I will not explain this. You have to experience this. Okay. People skills. You need different. There are different peoples with different knowledge, different attitude, capability. You need to do working according to them, not according to myself. Okay. Personality development and stress management. Obviously, Nigam sir was poking us. Get me an order, get me an order, get me a. Why are you not getting me an order? So there was lots of stress. So we have learned and we were able to manage this.